Hello my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And welcome everyone to my November Your Creative Studio unboxing. I did receive my November box and I am dying to take a look at what I received, but I have been super patient and really good, and I didn't look because I wanted us to have a look together. But I do want to know what's in here. So let's jump right into this video. This is a monthly subscription. I did a 3-month subscription. I did an October unboxing. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. I will link it in this area here. This is month number 2 for me. And obviously next month, December, will be month number 3 and my final month unless I renew. So this is their card for the month of November. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh-wee. I'm excited at first glance. We're going to fold this back, take a look. Oh, this is all so pretty. So on the top, we have some washi tape. Let's go ahead, open. This is really pretty. It looks like their theme is like, I see some deers, bucks, stags. I don't know, what do they call the male deer? They're not does. I'm having like a brain freeze, but this tape is beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? Got a nice amount of that. So we have some washi tape. Here we have a cling stamp. Cling stamps are always welcome. Oh, that's a little unusual. And you know what? I absolutely love it. Check that out. That is so cool. Wow. That is really cute. Very nice. And what's this? This is another cling stamp. Oh, this is a tiny, ooh, we have 3 of them. Oh, more than 3. You have, what is going on in here? Ooh. Honestly, these are a little discombobulated. Look at this. Hold on, let me fix this one. Oh, I don't like that. I like the stamp. They're cute. The stamp set is cute, but the quality, not so much. Look at how this just peels right off. That's not cool. I don't like that at all. I guess I will figure out how to adhere that myself, but look how off-center it is. It's not on the pad at all. It's way off. It's like someone couldn't be bothered to line it up properly. The stamps themselves are super cute. You have they're tiny. Little collection of deer, but that quality right out the bag, not impressive at all. That was actually pretty wah, wah. Hopefully that's the exception and not the rule. Let's see what else we have. We have another cling stamp. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, that looks good. Very nice. Okay, let's see. We have a bookmark. This is really pretty. And I think I'm going to use this bookmark in my Marguerite Miller collage book. She recently released a collage book, Christmas themed daily collaging with the prompts, and I bought the book, you know, because you gotta support. And I think this would be perfect. It is a bookmark, and it's magnetic, so I guess that's how it will adhere to the page. It will cling to itself. That's really pretty. We have a collection of decoration stickers, 46 pieces. Oh, these are pretty. They look like stamps. You know, I recently ordered something like this from Amazon, and it still hasn't arrived. So it's interesting and great timing that I would get this now. How cute is that cat? Can you see? Oh, these are cool. Shoot. If I had received this a week earlier, I wouldn't have ordered those stickers from Amazon, because they are like they look like stamps. They look like this. That is so cool. And you get a nice amount. And here we have stick notes. These are so pretty. Goodness gracious. Let's see. Very pretty. Nice size. Great for journaling. If I get through this unboxing relatively quickly, I will share with you a project that I started working on using items that I received in my October kit. Note cards. Interesting. I was wondering what this was. It feels really heavy and blocky, but it says note cards. So it's just like a little block or brick of note cards. You get quite a few here. Looks like 4 different styles, just looking at the side. So let's see. You have the lined. You have this one, kind of looks like a ticket. Dotted. And then this one at the top. That's pretty cool, and you get a lot of it. It's not thick, it's just like standard weight paper. Nothing crazy there. Original stickers. So these are more stickers. Oh my gosh, I love the way that opens up like that. Well, this is so cool. It's pretty cool. Nice collection of different stickers. This is perfect for collaging. It's cool. Get quite a bit of that, and the box is really nice. You can even use the box cover itself as a piece of ephemera. These are some foliage stickers. Let's see, can we find here? get one sheet of this. This is always useful. I tend to go through sheets of stickers like this pretty quickly because you can use them for just about anything and everything. What are these? Are these tags? These are beautiful. I hope they are on heavier cardstock. It would be nice. Tags. They are tags, and yes, they are on heavier cardstock. Looks like all you need to do is just punch out that hole, and you got yourself a pretty tag. These are gorgeous. All the same. You can definitely journal on the back of the tag. This is beautiful. Love that. We have another sheet of stickers here. Let's see. That's pretty. More stickers. These are more of the floral and foliage type. And then we have some sheets of vellum type paper, which is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, that is so sweet. And I do believe I have reached the bottom of my box. So, I'm generally happy with the box. I definitely liked the October box much more than this box, but I do like what was in this box. The only item that I was disappointed in really was the set of the mini stamps that were just so poorly made. That was disappointing, but it's not, you know, it's not life-shattering. It is what it is. I think that one got away from them on quality control. Otherwise, I think the box is great. I definitely will be using these items in my Marguerite Miller collage book for the month of December. So let me quickly just throw this all back in the box and let me share with you what I am working on using the kit from last month. It's not finished, but I want to share it with you anyway. So I am working on oopsie, a mini envelope journal. If you remember last month's items, they were kind of fairy themed, and they had these beautiful floral papers. It was just all around beautiful box, and so I started making this envelope journal using that kit and adding some additional items from my own stash. So this is what I have so far. I will be sharing this in more detail as part of a collaboration with I forget which company. I'm not going to guess, so I won't mention it here because I don't want to get the name wrong, but I will be sharing this project in more detail. But I did want to show you that I am using my boxes. I'm not hoarding them. I am resisting the temptation to hoard, and I love the way this has turned out so far. Still have some work, some additional mats I need to put in here, some tags and stamping, but that's what I have so far, and I'm really, really happy with it. And this is using items from last month's kit. This is a little tuck spot here, and that's the back. It has some burlap, and I used the burlap, the floral paper, and I think it was the Post-it type notes to create this layering effect, to add some lovely texture and dimension to my mini journal. So definitely be on the lookout for that. That is all I have for you in this video, my friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.